Imagine this. You walk into a boiler room, brand new hydronic boiler, maybe 6 months old, but something's off. It's short cycling, the relief valve is dripping, you can hear air moving through the pipes. The owner looks at you and says, "This thing has never worked right. I've been in that room more times than I can count." And almost every single time, the problem isn't the boiler, it's the installation. Today, I'm breaking down the most common mistakes contractors and designers make while replacing hydronic boilers. I'm Ray Wolfhard, Boiler Room Detective. My 14 boiler books are available at T.F. Campbell, Pronto Heating Supplies, Amazon, and heatinghelp.com. Mistake number 1, incorrect boiler sizing. Way too many techs just pull the old boiler out and drop in one the same size without doing a heat loss calculation. The old boiler may have been oversized from day one, resulting in short cycling, reduced efficiency, and a much shorter lifespan. Most boilers are oversized by 50 to 200%. Always run a heat loss on the building and add 15 to 20% safety factor. Don't guess. Mistake number 2, reusing the old dirty system water. You install a shiny new boiler and fill it with 20 or 30-year-old sludge, magnetite, rust, dirt, and old glycol. A recipe for failure. That gunk plugs the heat exchanger, kills heat transfer, and can void the manufacturer's warranty. Flush the entire system thoroughly, then add water treatment. Install a water meter on the makeup line. It's the best leak detector you'll ever have. Mistake number 3, reusing or mismatching the existing circulator pump. You wouldn't put bald tires on a brand new car, would you? Of course not. That's what happens when you reuse the old pump or circulator. Who knows if the old pump is even sized properly? According to ASHRAE, a base-mounted pump has a life expectancy of 20 years. A pipe-mounted pump is half of that. Why take a chance? And remember, always pump away from the expansion tank for proper air elimination and circulation, unless you enjoy venting radiators that are behind an entertainment center. Mistake number 4. Most older systems had the pump pushing water through the boiler. Modern boilers, especially modcons, usually need a primary-secondary piping with a dedicated boiler circulator. Also ask yourself, does this job need a buffer tank? Modcon boilers almost always do to prevent short cycling. And double-check that all existing piping is properly sized. You want 2 to 4 feet per second velocity. Too slow and you get air pockets. Too fast and you get pipe erosion. And lastly, the most dangerous mistake, no combustion testing or commissioning. Installing a boiler and just walking away without a combustion analyzer is reckless. You can end up with high CO, terrible efficiency, sooting, or a dangerous boiler room. Every boiler gets combustion testing and tuned on startup. O2, CO, stack temperature, the works. This isn't optional, it's safety. If you're installing or replacing hydronic boilers, avoid these mistakes and you'll have happy customers and equipment that lasts. Drop your biggest boiler room horror stories in the comments. I read every one. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. This is Ray Wolfhard, Boiler Room Detective, and I'll see you on the next case.